city, chilling in the murk, babe. Ay, 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 yo, I'm getting lead, babe. Can't you see, babe? My music blog, babe. Don't disturb, babe. I'm getting lead, babe.
Okay, let's go.
But you say it, dude.
Yeah. Welcome to Pull Up. Go by the name Christmas. You already know this is Pull Up, man. It's episode 4 more, right?
Yeah. Number 4.
I'm
sorry. I'm trying to put my boys live.
Yeah, we can do it.
The Pull Up, we live, we work.
We can do it.
You can see we out here.
My name is Chris.
Yeah, his name is Chris. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, man. As usual, I'm with my main man today. You in a center.
Yeah, bro. Center of attraction. You know what time it is.
I like that.
Yeah,
so I'm with my man Mom. As well as Deluxe.
Yes.
Hey, my day ones. I go by the name Christmas, and this is the Put Up, guys. What's up?
Good, man. Good.
You guys, you good?
Yeah.
You're sipping on?
Sipping on something. Sipping on water. Sipping on water, you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fresh.
So today, what exactly are we talking about?
Yeah.
What's been happening?
A lot, eh?
A lot
has been happening.
A lot has
Dude,
been
like the world is crazy, chance.
Yeah.
Like, you know, every 2 hours, like something new happens.
Yeah.
Like njalo nje kuyapha.
Yeah.
What's going on? Like I was online, so saw a little disturbing video.
Yeah.
I like that's why I'm telling you, like I think we need to start with it and get it over with.
Yeah.
So there I was online, gents. Video surfaces. 2 guys are going at it at some abandoned train station. Literally having sex outside in some abandoned training station.
Do you have a problem with
they were
that?
drunk.
Do you have a problem with that?
Wait. So that's what we saw, right? Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm the one on some. I'm giving you what I saw. But do I have a problem with it though? Look, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I must sound like a parent, but this is a more progressive world, and I don't know whether we are.
Everyone is free.
Yeah.
To exercise whatever they feel like.
Yeah, but no, for me, there's other things where I'm like, no. That shit was in public, gents.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a person who took a video.
Yeah.
So basically, there was a third person either watching or also participating.
Were the guys aware though? Go to their own video now, like, or they were not aware?
I saw the video, so they were not aware. Okay, but like this thing has been happening when we find a woman and a man doing it in public.
Okay, so let me pose this.
And the talk is different. If it's like that, the talk is different. People are not mad. But I'm finding it is a problem now because it's a man to man.
It's a man.
So wait,
to
are
man.
you saying we are a homophobic nation?
We have been. I think we have been. I think
we are not educated about these things.
Exactly. The reason why this is trending is because now it's clashing with our culture, like with our norm. You know what I mean? Like
Which
it's not normal.
Which culture is
not
clashing?
usual.
Which culture is
that we
clashing?
see these things in public, like the way we were raised. And the way we were raised, man. Like it's not hide it.
But remember now, the way we were raised. I like that. But you must remember, this is someone who was raising you from their own personal experiences with their own parents and stuff like that. And like I said, this looks like a more progressive age. Things are out there now. Yes, we put stigma and say you're out and this is nasty. But my thing is just that, don't you think that they belong behind closed doors?
Yeah,
I get you on that point. It's wrong that they do it like they're doing it public. You know. But I'm having a problem with the comments of people like, hey, this is like 2 guys. You know. It's like if it's a woman and a man, it's okay, we can just we can understand like but because he's a man and a man, they're like, hey, this is shit, it's public. No.
And you'd find that some of the people about post those things are probably they do the same thing. But it's just that those 2 were caught. Good time. The spotlight is not on me.
But how did you feel about it? Like, well, first of all, will you do something like that? Like, will you?
No. I'm totally straight. I love me some women.
Yeah.
It's titties and ass all day, every day for me. I'm sorry.
You can do it with your women in public, but
yeah, I can, provided I don't get caught. And then that's that's
if the environment is
it allows.
Yeah.
So I guess
can
Nati,
do
we
it.
should just say, hey, if they wanted to express,
Yeah.
express it. PT they were on camera.
And they are just a guy and a guy.
It's a new
And they
world.
got cut.
It's a new world. So that's what
but-
I saw. I don't know
Yeah.
what you guys saw these past few weeks.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So another thing that so I've been like ups and down during the week, and you know, ups and down. So I've been seeing this thing trending. It's Tembo.
It's Tim.
Umnagwethu, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm like, hey, at home I just open my TV and I'm doing the catch up. I'm like, let me check this out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Must
So-
yeah.
Ish. I saw a very disturbing episode.
Yeah.
A very disturbing episode.
Uh-huh.
You know, I grew up in a home where there were different women.
Okay.
So I grew up with Tembo.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
What was great about that episode, it allows me, I'm the person who's anxious to go back and look my past.
Yeah.
So when I was watching, I'm like, this is, you know, it's allowing me to tap back to my past and check it out. And I was
Yeah.
like, okay, that's great. Then I overcome the fear.
It's Tim, right?
I overcome the fear. Like I was like, hey,
Yeah.
finally I'm thinking about my past when I was young.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know, so when I'm watching this thing is Tembo, to me it comes like it's a very formal way to abuse women. It's a good way to abuse women.
In what way? Well, how are they being abused? If, like, I'm gonna love all of you.
Yeah. I'm gonna take care of all
gonna
of
take
y'all.
care of all
In
of
I'm
life-
you.
gonna buy you shoes. I'm gonna
life-
buy you shoes. I'm gonna buy you shoes. So
In life, you have a one dick, you have one heart. You're supposed to love one woman.
then I'm supposed to only love soccer and not cricket.
That's a sport.
Then I'm supposed
That's
to
a
drink
sport. You're
coffee.
talking about.
And wait.
No.
Then I'm
Let me.
supposed to drink coffee, not tea. That's what you say. Then I'm
But that's
supposed to
different. You're
use-
talking about food. I'm talking about people's life here. I'm talking about it, like
Okay,
human
yeah.
people
Okay.
losing their lives.
But listen to what you said. And literally, one dick, one heart,
one
right?
heart.
Yeah.
So about one thing, right?
You love one woman.
Then I must love one thing, meaning I must love cars. I must not buy bikes.
I don't think it's a good idea for you to say to compare with cars. A human being with
No,
with cars.
I'm not comparing a human being with a car. I'm just saying, statements I can sit turned into you one, right?
No, I didn't
Because-
say that. I said you have one dick,
Okay.
one heart.
All right.
I didn't say you must love one thing.
So you see, that's where his temper comes in.
That's where Stembo comes in.
Is it a good thing though to have his team?
For me, I won't be able to love more than one. I can last
Yeah,
more than one person,
yeah.
but I cannot love more than one person. Because love is a different thing, you know. It's
You
like
can't.
now the time. But yeah, I can last. Like we can set up some. terms
Okay,
and
look,
conditions.
I think this one, yeah, we should just give it to the people at home.
I
Hit
think,
us up,
I
send us
think-
something, let us know what you think.
I think this thing of Istanbul is people who are afraid to end the relationship and start the new one.
But
Because they immediately
holding on
want
to the-
immediately you want to move on and take another girl. That means you no longer love the one that you dated.
Okay, but then
yeah, you're not satisfied now.
Yeah.
So,
okay, then you grew up in that setup.
now it's
Was when Abogule set up, was there an absence of love?
So much.
You feel like there was not enough for you or for
It
the
was-
women who were in there?
It was never been there. Love. I saw people dying, bro, because
Yeah.
of that nonsense. I saw niggas, my homies, going to school without shoes
Yeah.
because of that nonsense.
And then what about those whose lives were?
I never met them.
So that's why again we can't really say it's good or it's bad.
Oh,
it's
Because-
bad.
But there's people you haven't met who've lived it their whole entire life, and everyone is happy.
Who's happy?
We don't know because we've never seen them. Kaloku when I uteta your own side, but this is how I saw it.
Yeah.
What about
I
the
just
other
believe
people?
that there is no one who's happy with him.
Okay, well, there you go, Bafetu. He believes no one is
Hey,
happy
no.
with him.
Women
He's
can
saying it's
act. Women
last.
can act like they are happy. Listen, women can act like they are happy, but they are not.
Okay.
They
fine.
go to fake. They can fake the
patient,
organism,
Yeah.
so they can fake that. The happiness
But
is
they're not happy.
Okay,
They are not happy.
Jets.
Who don't want to be next to the guy when it's raining?
Look,
And the guy's just next door.
yeah, but it's
And it's
you're
raining.
one-sided.
That's a torture, bro. Your man is just way next door.
That's the thing.
And it's raining when you are alone in your bed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dog, women need time and like you need to talk to them.
Okay, okay.
Give them time.
I perfect in this way that the passions are high.
Yeah.
The passions are very high. Thank you, man. It was nice being here. Bongs is here. Our
Hey, we can
host
pull up
who's-
at any time.
Yeah, our host
No.
here.
Hey.
Thank you guys for pulling up. It was an amazing one. We're gonna see you on the next one. In the next one, maybe we're gonna release like 100 episodes.
I'm sure.
I come.
Plus, it's quick, it's short. 100 episodes.
It's like it's a pop.
Yeah.
So yeah, but
It's a bang pop.
thank you very much. You
Food
see,
for thoughts,
sipping on water. It was
Yeah.
nice chilling with y'all. We had fun. Look, hit us up, Baba. Send us my messages about the topics we had. What are you thinking as Tim? Do you love it? Are you a fan? Hit us up, yeah. It's the pull up, Baba, and we pulled up for you.
In a time.
And we out. These guys made me host with a Z, but it's fine. Away.
Nonsense.
Lady chilling in a Merc, babe.